Are you having troubles budgeting and your monthly income is not enough and you have no other source of earning money? Well, I think you clicked the right channel. Here you can find answers that might help you a bit solve your financial problems. Some ways or few techniques on how to make money during your free time. And that is earning money online, an option which is suitable for everyone. No interviews, no requirements, and no hassle going to work every day. A place where you can be your own boss. All you need is internet connection, mobile phone, a laptop or computer, and you can definitely make money while just staying at home, while studying, or doing it as a side hustle. Here I share tips and ideas on how to make extra money online, new opportunities, home-based jobs, and legit earning apps or websites that might help you earn some extra bucks. So if you're interested, click the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos about making money online. You may also follow me on my Facebook fan page, Instagram, and Twitter for more updates. Being in control with your finances is a great stress reliever. Thank you and see you on the next one.